So now we are doing solving some questions which is based on finding nth term of A. So what is the formula of nth term? An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula to find the nth term. So let's take examples, questions. AP is 2, 7, 12 and you have to find 10th term. 10th term is A10. We have to find 10th term. So we will use this formula to find the 10th term. So what is n here? N is 10. You can see here n is 10. What is A here? A is 2. And what is D here? 7 minus 2, which is 5. So D is 5. So we will use these variables value in the formula. Formula is An equals to A plus n minus 1 D. An is A10. We have to find 10th term, so we write here A10. Now what is A? What is A is 2. So we write here 2. What is n? Again 10 minus 1 into D. D is 5. Now we will solve this equation. 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5. Here D mass rule will apply. Don't do 9 plus 2 here. We will use multiply first. D mass rule. It means multiply first. Division is not here, so we multiply first. So 9 5s are 45, 2. Now we will do addition. 2 plus 45, 47. So 18 is 47. Very simple. Just we have to remember the formula A equals to, how this formula formed, just we have explained here, we have understood. So A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to just concentrate on what is n here, what is A here. A you will get from the AP. What is D here? D you have to find. We have understood. D you have to find next term minus previous term, and just by putting the value of A and D in the formula, you get the desired term. Let's find A50. Suppose this is the same activity, you want to find A50. So what you write? A50, A plus 50 minus 1 into D. So what is A here? A will be same. If AP is same, then A will be 2 plus 50 minus 1, 49 into D. What is D here? 5. So we write here 5. Now solve it. 2 plus 49 into 5. 5 9 is 45. 5 4 carry. 5 4 is 20. 24. So 2 plus 2 45. 247. You can see. You can find any term of A. You want to find a thousand. You want to find thousands term. So just n equals to thousands. So what is A2? A2 n minus 1. 1000 minus 1 into D. D is 5. 2 plus 1000 minus 1, 999 into 5. 2 plus 5 into 9, 45. 5 4 carry. 9 5 is 45. 4 49. 4 carry. 5 9 is 45. 4 49. 4 9 and 5. And this will be 4997. So you are able now to find any term of any entity. So this is very simple. You have to just find how to find A, how to find D, and what is the value of n. This value of n you will get from that which which term you will to find. So do practice and you can understand better. Let's take some more complicated questions so you can understand better. Question is, determine the AP whose third term is 5. Third term means A3. A3 is given 5. And seventh term is 9. Yani A7 is equals to 9. and find the AP. Determine the AP. Find AP. So this is very different question and very interesting question. See here. A3 5. A3 means A3 equals to A plus 3 minus 1 D. So A plus 2D. This is A3. I think you will remember, we have understood this one. So A3, on the place of A3 you will write 5. A we don't know. D we don't know. This is the equation formed here. Okay. Now we will take A7. So what is A7? A plus 7 minus 1 D. A plus 7 minus 1 6D. And what is A7? A7 is given 9. So this is the second equation. So there are two variables and we have got two equations. And now we have to solve these two equations to get the values of A and D. So let's be solving here. A plus 2D equals to 5. I write here A plus 2D equals to 5 and A plus 6D equals to 9. Okay. So in class 9 you have understood what is the different type of method to solve the two pair of linear equations. So eliminating method I am using here. Change the sign. This is Sam. Change the sign. And this is the sign. Change. So A minus A cancel. 2D minus 6D minus 4D. 5 minus 9 minus 4. Minus minus cancel. D equals to 4 upon 4. D equals to 1. So you got D equals to 1. Now put in any equation, first or second, whatever you want. 5 equals to, I am putting in first equation, A plus 2D. So A plus 2 into D. D is 1. Before D is here 1. A plus 2. 2 into 1, 2. So 5, 2 will come this side, minus 2, 3. A equals to 3. So we get the value of A and D, and now we are able to frame the AP by using the A and D. A is 3, so first term will be 3, second term will be, first term is A1, A2 will be A plus D. So 3 plus, what is D here? 1. So 4, A2 is 4, A3 equals to A2 plus D, A2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So you got 3 terms. To find the AP, just you have to find the 3 or 4 terms. Minimum 3 terms, okay? So AP will be first term 3, second term 4, and third term 5. And this is, you have just find the AP. So this is a very interesting question. And we have find the value of variable A and D. Now by using the A and D you can find the arithmetic progression. Now we will understand sum of nth term of AP. The next main topic of our chapter, sum of nth term of AP, and this topic is very interesting because this is very useful in your daily life. How? I want to start from an example. Suppose in your account, there is an account in your bank. In first 2001, you deposit 10,000 rupees. In 2002, you deposit 15,000 rupees. In 2003, you deposit 20,000 rupees. Now you have to find after 2020 what money in your account. How much total money in your account at the end of 2020. By using this concept, whatever we are going to learn, you can find within seconds. Okay? So I am explaining that side of board. So first of all, sum of nth term and sum of n terms, sum of n terms is equals to Sn. What is called? Sn. S for sum and n means n terms. S for sum, n means n term, capital S, Sn. So Sn equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of sum of n term. N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's talk about the variables. N, we know, value of n terms, a first term, n already we know, d common difference. So this is the formula. Now there is another formula to find Sn, n by 2. We can write 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I just write here 2a plus a, nothing else. So a remaining here, a as it is, and if we see combined with this one, what is this? This is known for you, a plus n minus into d, nth term of AP, an. So this is an. Actually an is known here L. L means last term of AP. Last term of AP, small l. So you can write here Sn equals to n upon 2 a plus L. So basically there are two formulas to find Sn. First, when you know a and d, you will use this formula. And when you know first term and last term, then you will use this formula. So in this case, we don't know the last term, we know only first term, and we can find the d here. So let's solve here. What is a? A is 10,000. What is d? 15,000 minus 10,000. 15,000 minus 10,000. Next term minus first previous term. So it will be 5,000. D. A is clear. D is clear. What is n? N is, now you will decide what is n here. Think about this. 1 से start 20 तक. So this is n is 20. How many terms here? 20. Simple, clear. So n is clear, a is clear, d is clear. Are we able to use this formula? N clear, a clear, d clear? Yes. Now we are able to use this formula. So let's see here. Formula is written here. I am writing here S20. We are going to find Sn. So n is 20. So I am writing here again. N is 20. N is 20. Okay, I am writing this one. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we put the value. N is 20, so S20. We are going to find S20. What is a? 10,000. N is 20 upon 2. 2 into a. A is 10,000. You can check here. A is 10,000. What is d? D is 5,000. 5,000. Sorry. N is 20 minus 1 into 5,000. Okay? A is 10,000, N is 20, D is 5,000. Now we will solve this one. This will be 10. 2 into 10,000, 20,000 plus 19 into 5,000. 20 minus 1, 90. 20,000 as it is. 19 5 are 95. So 1000, 95,000. Now 95,000, 20,000, 100, 15,000. Then 1 lakh 15,000. Yes. 1 lakh 15,000 multiplied by 10. 1 lakh 15,000 and 1 0 you can write here. So this will be 11 lakh 50,000. So at the last 2020, if you are following this one, depositing this amount increasing order, you will get 11 lakh 50,000. So this is, you can understand how we use this concept in our daily life. As we are finding here sum of 20 terms. This is actually sum of 20 terms. You can see here sum of 20 terms. Actually, student confused in A20 and S20. So please see here carefully. A20 means 20th term. This is only a single term, 20th term. But this S20 is sum of 20 terms. S20 means sum of 20 terms. It means from first term to 20th term. Each term will be added in this S20. So don't be confused about A20 and S20. Most of the students confused in A20 and S20. Because in question you will get the language, and language you have to identify variables very carefully. So then you will use the proper concept. Now we take very interesting question. The question is, suppose you have some numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and up to 100. It means you are going to find sum of first 100 terms. Sum of first 100 terms. So what is n here? 100. What is a here? Yes, correct, 1. What is d here? Yes, 2 minus 1, 1. Now how will you find sum of first 100 terms? You are going to find S100. S100 means if you start from 1 to 100, you write 1 to 100 numbers and you want to add these numbers, all these 100 numbers, and what will you get? That you are going to find. So S100 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Every time you have to write first formula. N is 100 upon 2, 2 into a. A is 1, 100 minus 1, and d is also 1. D is also 1. 100 upon 2, 50. 2 into 1, 2. 100 minus 1, 99 into 1. 50. 2 plus 99 into 1, 99. Let's see here. 50 into 2 plus 99, 101. Now we multiply 101 with 50. So first multiply with 5, 5 1 is 5, 0, 5 1 is 5, and put 0. So this is 5050. So this is the actual sum of first 100 terms. Okay. So our chapter is complete. Now you can understand. You will. There are some basic. I am just revising the whole chapter. You have understood about the arithmetic progression, which is AP, a series, a special series in which first term is A, then next term will be the particular fixed term increase or decrease by a fixed number, and that is called common difference. Then you will understand about the finding nth term. The formula is n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. After this you will understand how to find the sum of n terms, and there are two formulas. First is Sn equals to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d, and last formula, when you know the first term and last term, Sn equals to a plus Sn equals to n by 2 a plus n. Okay, so do practice. Thank you.